I picked up these hood vents from Skillard for the Z. Let's throw them on today and I'm going to show you the whole process. There's a good chance your hood louvers on your Z are not in great shape, just like mine. You can see I got a couple broken mounts. This one has been glued and stayed, this one has not, so we need to change those out so we don't have to keep looking at those. So the ones from Skillard over here are louvered just like the originals to suck out all the hot air out of the hood while you're driving. They've got studs in the bottom. You can see we've actually got 6 as opposed to the 4 original, and that's because they added 2 in the middle for extra support. It comes with a template here so we can drill our holes, get them accurate. Hardware and a sticker that we'll probably throw on the toolbox at some point. Process should be really simple. Let's get those old ones out so we can put these new ones in. So these are my original ones here. All I did was real quick scuff these up and spray them with some satin black because they were red, just because I knew they were going to be temporary. Now you can see down here, this is the trailing edge on the passenger side vent. Both of these studs were broken off, and that's very common on these because they're just a little stud that's, I'm assuming they're epoxied in somehow or something into the original, into the plastic, and that plastic breaks because your stud gets all rusted up. So I successfully got this one to stay with some JB Weld. I used plastic bonder up here, used that stuff. This side stayed. I could not get this side to stay no matter what. I tried like 3 times. It would not stay. After it got hot, from running the car, it would just pull off. So I knew those were temporary because I knew eventually we'd be getting these. Now that we got them, let's throw them on the car. First step to installing these is going to be drilling a couple holes for each one, because as you can see, these have 6 studs. The original ones only have 4. Where this is sheet metal, they put a couple in the middle to help it from, warping or anything like that. Just give it a little more support. It comes with templates. So I cut those out already. Now, you can use these also on a early Z hood that doesn't have hood vents. And this dotted line here is representing where you want to cut the inside hole for your vent. And then you've got the crosshairs here for each stud. So if we bring that over here and set it on our hood, it's going to set on here just like that. Something like that. It's easier to do with 2 hands. And we'll line up those crosshairs with the 4 holes that we already have to mark our inner 2 holes to drill. Now, I've already done that over here, and what I did is I just cut little slits in the center of those holes, threw a bolt down through, a 6mm. That way we have it all exactly lined up. I put a nut and a washer on the back side, just kind of finger tightened them. But that will give us close enough to drilling our 2 center holes so we can get this installed. Now, we could just use this to drill our hole directly, but what I'm going to do is mark these with a center punch, and we'll pull the templates right off. So I'm just going to put my center punch right in the center of the crosshairs for the middle. So now we got a nice couple marks there where we know we want to drill. We need to drill 11/64, but I'm starting with a pilot hole, smallest bit I have. It's always a good idea to start with this pilot hole. Oh, that bit's pretty dull. All right, let's check our fitment. Looks like I got to do a little bit of tweaking on my holes here just to move down just a little bit. All right, so our holes are all ready to go. I've test fitted them. I did have to oval out my holes just a little bit. I guess I had my patterns a little bit off, but super easy with a Dremel. So what I like to do now is, now we got bare metal here, can put some touch-up paint in there just to keep it from rusting, hopefully. And I'll do a couple coats of this. And you can actually see where the original ones wore into my paint just a little bit, just from vibration, so I'll touch those up too. It's actually probably paint transfer from the satin that I sprayed on just with a rattle can is probably what that is, but I'll throw some of this touch-up paint over it just in case. Well, that touch-up paint is drying. I just realized we forgot one important step. Gotta put our sticker on the toolbox. All right, with our touch-up paint all dry, let's get these set in there and finish this off. Now we're just going to snug those down. Now, these are nylock nuts, so you don't have to go crazy tight. They're not going to back off. And where these are just sheet metal, if you over tighten them, it's going to make it, cause a divot in where that stud is. So you basically just want to just barely tighten them down. And you also got to make sure you get it lined up in the hole up front, like I'll show you in a second, but the outline in the hood. I'm just going to snug these down and see what it looks like. Barely tightening them down. So where the 280Z hood does have this shape in the hood for the louvers, it raises up and it's got the cutout, basically the indentation. Want to make sure you're nice and centered in that. You should have plenty of play in your holes. If not, you can do what I did and oval them out. But if you have it up on the edge, it's also going to fold. It's going to scratch your paint. So make sure you got it right lined up. Shoo! Look at that. Those things look amazing. Let me give you guys a close-up view of that. Oh, what do you guys think? I think they look amazing. I really, really like them. I like them better than the OEM louvers on there. Definitely. Now, there's a couple different styles. I didn't mention this before. There's the louvered style like this, where they're stamped and shaped like the louvers on the OEM vents. There's also ones that they call the race version, which they're just flat. They got rectangles cut out, and you twist them to the angle that you want. Whichever you prefer. I preferred the look of these ones. They're both about the same price. I think they're right around $100 powder coated. You can either get them raw or powder coated, and it's not much more to get them powder coated black. So yeah, really, really like these. I would definitely go check these out if you haven't. Skillard.com. They got a ton of custom Z stuff like this. Pretty much anything you'd need. I know they got center console. They got, the front bumpers. I don't know. Go look at their website. They have a ton of stuff. Like I said, only $100-ish for this stuff, and they look great. Well, that was a really easy install. If you guys need these, like I said, go pick them up from Skillard. If anybody wants those old OEM ones that are mostly good, let me know. I'll send them to you. You pay shipping. I don't need them for anything at this point anyway, and they're not 100% good. Like I said, one stud is broke off still. The other one has been repaired and is holding fine for now, so they might be better than what you have. Just let me know. I don't need them anymore. No need to keep talking. Let me know what you guys think. I'll get another Z video out as soon as I can, as soon as we have something else that I feel like recording. But until then, go check out the rest of the channel. We got tons of videos on the history of this car, starting from when I pulled it in here and basically had to rebuild this car from the ground up, bare sheet metal, tons of rust repair. Now we got the 2JZ swap in running. Went to a car show yesterday, and that was actually really, really fun. I want to mention that. So last minute realized that there was a car show like 20 minutes away. So took this, my wife took her SS, and my son took his Fox body that he had. So can't remember if I mentioned that, but we bought that Fox body from my buddy. It's now my son's going to be his first car once he gets his license. He's only 14 right now, but my mom drove him over in his car. So we had 3 cars there at the car show yesterday, which was really cool. Anyways, let me know what you think of the louvers. If you guys got any stories about Skillard stuff that you use, recommendations I should throw on the Z, let me know. Hopefully I can work with these guys some more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.